Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Tech World Vlogs on Tesla. Y'all see me with my YouTube subscribe shirt. So if you're watching this video, make sure you subscribe. Right now, can you guess where I am right now? If you've been watching all my videos, this is day 4. I'm in Guyana. And right now I'm on the shorelines here. This is we call the Kingston Seawall, but it's basically one of the many seawalls that Guyana has. And right behind me here, you'll see many developments that Guyana's done to the shorelines and make it really into a boardwalk, a real tourist experience down here at the seawall, specifically Kingston Seawall. So a couple of things I'll show you guys. I know a lot of the older folks there that in Canada, they haven't really seen the development that's happened right now. So right now behind me, we have the big Pegasus Hotel. This hotel here has been recently developed. It's actually called the Pegasus Corporate Suites, and I'm not really sure. I haven't gone inside. It's under construction, fairly recently completed. But this hotel here will have a lot of the corporate offices or maybe condos. I'm not really sure the specific, but it's a really nice building on the shoreline here. You can see it from the distance. And old Pegasus still is around, so we can call this Pegasus 2.0 for short. But yeah, this is the Pegasus Hotel. Other thing here, there's been a massive cleanup campaign for the shores here. We know Guyana houses a lot of species of turtles and a lot of these plastic bottles, like the ones you see right here. These are a harm to our species here for fishes and turtles. So if anyone is using the shorelines here or at the seawall, make sure you're cleaning up your plastics. Make sure you're not dropping it inside the on the shore here for whatever party you're having. So if you look in the distance here, the beach actually looks wider, but they recently added the boardwalk. It's a pavement interlocking stones. I'll show you guys over here. But it actually makes it easier, like when it's raining, flooding, whatever the case may be. You have a nice boardwalk here to bring your family, friends to come out and take a walk. There's a stone here coming along the boardwalk, and you have these trees that can provide shelters. But if you keep walking down, you'll find different vending stores. Also, what's new on this here, they're adding lights, so you can see throughout all these light posts. So this will look nice in the night with these lights that's going to be popping up. So there's power provided. I'm sure they're going to plant some nice trees here in these little sections here. They really made an emphasis of designing the boardwalk for family and friends, so you can bring your family on an evening and take advantage of the natural beauty of Guyana, especially like in the sunset hours in the afternoon when the sun is going down. You get a beautiful scenic view of the sun reflecting on these beautiful buildings, but also reflecting on the water. Those are really special occasions, special moments you can share with family and friends. But the cleanup has been looking really nice, I gotta say. These benches also are a new addition. So you can see here, these benches here, you can sit down here. And one thing I want to show you guys, they added garbage disposal. So there's garbage disposal where you can come and... So yeah, this is a walk on the boardwalk here on Kingston Seawall. There's also areas here for alongside the walkway. There's benches and see the fence work that's going on in the area. So what do you guys think? This is Guyana Boardwalk. There's also signs out there that says no littering. So if you don't need to, please make sure you're not littering when you come to this occasion. This is my first time here after 5 years. Lots of change. But I really like all the development, all the changes, making it more appealing to tourists and even Guyanese who've been living abroad for so many years. It makes it a lot more appealing. So you can see all the different constructions in the background that's happening, keeping the channel live and making sure that all the different, making sure all the different buildings are developed and take advantage of the shoreline. Lots of hotels around here too, which is pretty cool. You can get a stay here. If you want to stay overnight, you can get to the hotels and take advantage of a nice stay here at the Kingston Seawall. Yeah, so also there's different jetties out there for fishing. Right now, there's a no fishing policy, and also no littering policy. All right, so then another famous location. This is the new sign, I love Guyana. Y'all see this sign everywhere on TV ads. Any Visit Guyana ads, you see the sign, I love Guyana. So I couldn't leave Kingston Seawall without getting a vlog in this special place here. So this actually is the map of Guyana with all the different regions, but also a lot of message here about inclusion, kindness. Some of the qualities of Guyanese is on this map. You see hope, faith, kindness, courage, all the different qualities of what it means to be a Guyanese. This is all the qualities Guyanese have. Looks like it was sponsored by Arya Ali. This is the president's wife. And over here we have the big sign here, I love Guyana sign. And this is actually a really nice sign with the nice Guyana colors, Guyana map colors on the sign. So yeah, this is one of the iconic development here for Guyana. So y'all see the Kingston Seawall. Now y'all see the I love Guyana. There's another spot here I want to take y'all over. This is the, it's like a turtle. Guyana has a lot of turtles, and I think there's an island called Turtle Island, or can't remember the name. I think it's Turtle Island or Seashell Island. There you'll find all the different species of turtle. These are all the different tourist activities a lot of tourists will come and see in Guyana. So walking down this street here, it's High Street. Over there we have the old Pegasus, and then we have the newly developed Pegasus. We have the Court of Appeal over there. You can see it there. We have, at the back of me, we have GBTI Bank. And as soon as it's safe, I'm gonna walk across here to show you all this sign here. So this sign here is Guyana Marine Conservation Society. So this sign here is Guyana Marine Conservation Society. They made the sign here, donated, and behind we have the big flag of Guyana. And there you can see the turtle egg and the little baby turtle coming out of the egg. And that's kind of what Guyana is, right? We were a little bit of a baby country, but now that we have oil and we're booming with oil, we are developing. We are coming out of our shell, and we're becoming bigger and getting more notice in the world, right? So that's nice addition to the Guyana experience, and just more things that tourists can come and see, right? And over there we have the Humaniana Benab. This has been around forever, but it's renovated, it's maintained, and it has all the different, like it has the National Trust. Looks exactly the same like what it was before, but well taken care of, well renovated.